Awesome. So let's move on to the biggest, you know, the enterprise mobility company. They call it Mobilia, right? So how is Mobilia being the game changer here? It just simply uses humanoid robots as secretaries at its Dallas office headquarters, right? So imagine replacing a secretary with a robot, replacing a receptionist with a robot, right? That is what is Mobilia doing all the way, right? It's able to take over the simple tasks that are repetitive, right? And the robots are able to take those simple tasks which are everyday's day-to-day activities. That's what they're talking about here, right? And they're able to free up these employees chores, or what do you call it, those daily routine activities, in order to speed up the admin staff's duties, right? Mobilia, this is a great innovative move in terms of doing this. But imagine if every office or every company in the future, in the next 10 to 15 years, have human robots. Sorry, have humanoid robots and replacing humans for that matter. This People will think that it will drive away jobs and all this stuff. But in fact, what I feel is that see, automation is taking over the world, obviously, right? We can focus on more productive things instead of, being a receptionist, secretary, or something like that. We can focus on great lot of things, right? This great world, this great life. We can focus on all positive things, right? Leave the routine tasks to the robots. Is what I typically feel. So that's how Mobilia is able to change the world with having humanoid robots as the secretaries or the receptionists, for that matter, to speed up the admin staff's duties, which is a kind of a great innovative move that nobody would have ever imagined. Right? Let's move on to the next video.